Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus A500s. If you are in the market for a reliable and high-quality dashcam with advanced features, then this might be the perfect addition to your vehicle. Let's start with the stunning 1944p HD recording capability. With a high resolution of 25,921,944, this dashcam captures license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road with outstanding image quality. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that you have clear, high-definition footage in case of any unforeseen incidents. One of the standout features of the 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus A500s is its dual-channel front and rear recording capability. When paired with the RC06 rear camera, this dashcam achieves dual-channel recording, providing all-round protection for your vehicle. This is essential for capturing incidents both in front and behind your car. Additionally, the 5-megapixel Sony sensor incorporated in this dashcam ensures exceptional image quality. The built-in GPS allows for the real-time monitoring and display of trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates essential for tracking the exact location of an accident if the need arises. Furthermore, the 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus A500s features advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, which uses voice alerts to warn you of potential safety hazards. This adds an extra layer of security and awareness to your driving experience. With 24-hour parking surveillance, you can rest assured that your vehicle is being monitored even when you're not around. The dashcam's sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary, automatically initiating recording to capture any potential incidents. The 70mm app, compatible with both iOS and Android systems, allows you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dashcam's Wi-Fi. Loop recording ensures that new recordings automatically overwrite older footage when the memory card reaches full capacity, so you never have to worry about running out of storage space. Overall, the 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus A500s offers a comprehensive set of advanced features to enhance your driving experience and provide you with peace of mind on the road. If you are interested in purchasing this dashcam, you can find the product link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment to let us know your thoughts. See you in the next video.